Today I will explain about cell injury. Before going into cell injury, we need to know about the term adaptive response. Adaptive response is nothing but a change in the activity of the brain in response to environmental stimulus. Environmental stimulus means factors such as air or dust or any brightness levels that damages the eye. If these factors exceeds their limit, that causes adaptive responses and leads to cell injury. And the next one, if the cells are exposed to injurious agents or stress or deprived of essential nutrients, means deficiency of nutrients, or mutations which affect cellular constants, all these events together termed as cell injury. And the next one is causes of cell injury, means generally cell injury can occur from mild heat to major accident. The first one is oxygen deprivation, which is known as lack of presence of oxygen in the cells. It includes ischemia. Ischemia means reduced blood flow in the body. And in cardiorespiratory failure, there is a decreased oxygen supply to the heart and lungs, which results in cell injury in heart and lungs. And decreased oxygen carrying capacity of RBC, and also includes severe blood loss and hypoxic condition. Hypoxic conditions means absence of oxygen into the tissues. And the next one, physical agents. Physical agents means nothing but cell injury which is directly in physical contact with the body, such as mechanical trauma in which cell is exposed to any accidents, electric shocks. All these factors are in direct contact with the body, that as accidents, electric shock, radiations, change in temperature and change in atmospheric pressure. Change in atmospheric pressure means, if for example if we go for in higher heights, there is a definitely decrease in the oxygen capacity, which leads to cell injury. And chemical agents. Chemical agents means toxic gases like mercury, cyanide, arsenic salts. And if anyone working in areas having herbicides, insecticides, occupational environment, and also includes agents like consumption of alcohol and therapeutic drugs, also causes cell injury. Infectious agents like bacteria, fungus, virus and any other organisms can cause cell injury. Other than these, there is a chance of genetic factors causes injury, such as presence of extra chromosomes. Generally, if there is a presence of extra chromosome, we'll call that as Down syndrome. Down syndrome. To know about the Down syndrome, we have to know in human body there are 23 pairs of chromosomes. 22 pair of chromosome is normal for both the genders, and the one pair is 6 chromosomes, that is X and Y. So out of 23, 22 is normal. In the 22, the 21st chromosome, in chromosomes there occurs a cell division. Normally a cell divides into 2 parts, but in the 21st chromosome the cell divides in 3 parts, that is an extra chromosome. So the 21st chromosome is called as Down syndrome, because there is a trisomy. It is also known as trisomy 21, because instead of 2 parts it divides into 3 parts. The third one is the extra chromosome. And the presence of extra base pair leads to sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia means nothing but the RBC changes into sickle shape and RBC dies earlier, and also there is a shortage of healthy RBC. And immunological agents also causes cell injury, because antigens and antibodies are present in our body to protect our immune system. Antibodies fight against the foreign antigens to protect our immune system. That is, immune system protect body from antigens by producing antibodies. But in case of autoimmune disorders means our own antigens causes harm to our own immune system. So there are some autoimmune disorders in which there will be production of antibodies to fight against our own antigens. And the next one is nutritional imbalances. In this we'll see the term self-induced starvation. Generally some people intentionally starve themselves, maybe due to obesity or dieting, or it may be due to a term called anorexia nervosa. Anorexia nervosa means it is an eating disorder. To treat from that, people starve themselves. And also protein calorie malnutrition, overconsumption of nutrition, obesity, diabetes mellitus and atherosclerosis also causes cell injury. So overall, what are the factors that causing cell injury means oxygen, physical agents, chemical agents, infectious agents, genetic factors, immunological agents and nutritional agents. All these factors together causes cell injury. That's it. Thank you.